Hey Rep, finally getting around to taking a video of my turrets. Here we go. Alright, let's turn it on for one. Rebuilt turret on a Brunswick A2. Everything from the frame up. Clutch, index lever. All the linkages, locking fingers. Watch it in action. Where is that pin? Pin stuck down in there. Oh, here it comes. And as soon as that goes through there, it should release. Oh, that's beautiful. You are the devil. Stupid time delay gear shaft. But anyway, so that's a Brunswick A2 turret, completely rebuilt from the frame up. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.